Could this small, robust metal cylinder be the most versatile continuous light that you've got in your entire gear bag? Today we're unboxing and reviewing the K&F CONCEPT SP25C, which is a 25 watt 4-color continuous light that completely smashes the 10 watt alternatives that are on the market today. Now you may think that a Gobo projection light is just a one-trick pony for casting patterns onto a background. But after putting this through its paces and experimenting with it here in the studio in a real-life studio environment, I was genuinely blown away. I've used it as a classic Gobo projector, a vibrant color key light, and an interesting hair rim light to separate my subject from the background. If you want to see exactly how it handled all three of those roles with a live model, I ran a raw behind-the-scenes studio session showing the entire workflow, the setup changes, and the raw mistakes. And you can check that out in the link up here. Now, an important detail to understand about the K&F CONCEPT SP25C is that it's designed strictly for continuous lighting, not flash photography. If you try to mix this with high-powered strobes or a speed light, the flash is simply going to overpower the 25 watt output of this torch, and your Gobo patterns or your color effects will disappear completely. However, where this shines, and no pun intended, is in pure continuous light setups. It's perfect for creators and videographers who need to add instant background textures, a splash of color, or a dramatic key or hair light. It's even great for adding a texture and color to ambient daylight or night photography, provided you keep your ambient levels controlled. Just remember, keep the strobes turned off. Let the continuous light do the work, and the creative possibilities are endless. Before we open the box, let's get the full disclosure out of the box. The guys over at K&F CONCEPT sent me this unit free of charge to test it out and give my honest opinion. No money has changed hands, no one is forcing a script onto me, and these are my genuine, real-world thoughts after hours of hands-on testing. I've left an affiliate link in the description section down below in case you want to get your hands on one of these for yourself. My overall impression: I am incredibly impressed with the sheer power, the rich colors, the exceptional battery duration, and the overall premium build. This is a tool I'm absolutely going to keep in my regular kit.
So let's just take a look at the specs overview of the K&F CONCEPT SP25C photography flashlight taken from the K&F CONCEPT's official site. This continuous light has a 25 watt output, 4000 lux at half a meter, 4 colors plus 20 gobos. It has accurate color accuracy, 2 built-in 4500 mAh rechargeable batteries. It supports PD 3.0 30 watt fast charging, which is great for continuous use, and it has a built-in cooling fan. USB-C charging, and a USB-C to a USB-A cable included.
So let's unbox it and see exactly what you get. Cracking the box open, the very first thing you notice when you pick up the SP25C is the weight. For its size, it's surprisingly heavy. It feels like a solid brick of tactical equipment. That's because it features a rugged, top-quality aluminium construction that feels absolutely premium and built to survive life on the road. In the box, you get a USB-C to USB-A cable for rapid charging, a dedicated swivel mount attachment so you can easily angle it on a stand, and 2 separate 1/4 inch threads built right into the body for highly versatile mounting options. But the real treasure trove is the Gobo selection. K&F CONCEPT packs this with a massive variety of pattern slides to completely alter your backgrounds. But here's the coolest part: they also include a few completely blank, uncut Gobo slides. That means you can actually cut or punch your own custom shapes and patterns to create a totally unique look that nobody else has. Powering this beast is a built-in 9000 mAh battery that charges up incredibly fast. When it comes to real-world battery run times, you're looking at roughly 1.5 to 2 hours of continuous use at absolute maximum 25 watt power. Controlling the light is incredibly intuitive, but it has a couple of quirks you need to know. On the back, you've got an endless dial to turn the device on and off and control the brightness. You need to press in the dial and then dial up the brightness. Because the dial spins forever, K&F Concept built in a brilliant tactile feature. The light physically flashes twice when you hit absolute minimum power and flashes twice again when you hit maximum output. No guesswork required. You also get 4 distinct rich colors built right into the system to instantly change the mood from cold and cinematic to warm and dramatic. Now let's talk about how you shape the light. You can slide the front end of the torch barrel physically in and out to broaden or narrow the beam. On top of that, the rubber Gobo attachment itself can be extended or retracted to change its physical distance from the LED source. However, we need to talk about its main limitation. And you have to keep your expectations realistic here. This does not behave like an expensive dedicated optical condenser projector lens. With high-end lens condensers, you can focus the optics until the edges of the pattern are surgically sharp or blur them out entirely. With the SP25C, because it relies on sliding mechanics rather than a complex glass optical lens system, the focus is a bit more organic. It is what it is. You can soften it or bring it into rough focus, but don't expect razor-sharp geometric lines. For abstract textures, colored rim lighting, and creative background patterns though, it performs beautifully, and it creates a perfect circle as a spotlight. Ultimately, for a light this portable that you can easily travel with, the sheer versatility of being able to use it as a key light, a hair or rim light, and a background pattern generator makes it a fantastic addition to any gear bag. But I want to hear from you. How would you utilize a light like this in your setup? Would you use it primarily for Gobo background textures? Or would you experiment with it like I did, as a key light or a colorful hair or rim light? And if you got those blank customizable Gobo slides, what kind of custom pattern would you design for your photos? Drop your answers and thoughts in the comment section down below. I read and answer every single comment, because we all learn faster when we share our experiences. In the description section down below, I've left an affiliate link to the K&F CONCEPT SP25C and other gear used in the making of this video. I've also left a link to my full Amazon storefront, where you can browse all my favorite photography and tech gear. If you purchase something through one of those affiliate links, the price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission, which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. Please like and share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more photography and tech related content. And don't forget to check out my full behind the scenes video to see this thing in action in the link up here. Keep experimenting with your lighting, and remember, photography is fun. So for now, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe, and see you in these next videos.